Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Keisha, also known as the Fashion Sherlock, here once again with another video this week. Tell you we added this NewAir 125 can freestanding beer fridge into this little closet, which I will talk about later. My husband loves this fridge. Definitely if you're looking for something for a party or just having people over. I know we can't have big crowds, but just want to have a small under 10 group of friends. This is definitely a fridge, a beverage fridge that you should consider. Two things about it is it has two different modes. So when people do come over, you can put it on turbo mode so you can have your beer. We put wine in here, have it chill really quickly. If you have a little get together, I know Thanksgiving is here, we can't have large gatherings, but we're gonna have a few people over, and when we do, we will have it on the party mode. So definitely, if you're looking for an option to have your beer stored, my husband is a really big beer drinker. I remember when we first started dating, I actually signed up for a beer club where he got different beers every month. So this is definitely a good option that I would consider. So let's get to talking about this update here. All right, now we can begin. This update was really cool. We had this extra closet. Well, I don't think it was an extra closet. I really think it was supposed to be a closet for maybe like your vacuum, brooms, cleaning supplies, but we already found somewhere else for that. So we're like, what can we do with this closet? So what we decided to do is we had our contractor actually come in and create almost like, perfect because we are locked up, a mini kind of bar and coffee experience. This is definitely not finished being designed yet, but I'm super excited to get it started. So he added in this granite tabletop, added in this wood finish. I really love the contrast with the wood and the granite here, really going into my, as I mentioned, we have a mid-century modern aesthetic, so that fits in perfectly. He also wood stained the additional 2 shelvings that we added in. So definitely not complete. We still have to stock it. Oh, sorry. We went with this LED light instead of having him actually install lights inside. That might change, but I just felt for now this was the best option for us. And it is battery powered LED lights. So right here, definitely going to update this counter. I'm thinking about adding kind of like a chalk wall back there so we can write cute little things on it when we have guests. This shelving right here is going to be updated and just be all of our glasses. We are in need of new wine glasses. So if any of my family members are looking at this, great Christmas gift. But yeah, going to be all glasses as well as mugs. I know I've seen a lot of people post, I'm gonna put this light back on. I've seen a lot of people post those really cute mugs from Anthropologie. I'm not sure if that's my thing, but really looking for some really stunning mugs to kind of showcase in here and use. So it's really like a one-stop shop for if you want coffee or ready to wind down for the evening. One update that we did in the living room is by design, these two walls were completely bare. We were thinking about adding two big pieces of art or photographs there, but I really loved the look of shelving. So we had these custom built. So our contractor came in, measured, he actually cut the wood himself. So these were initially wood. I know I did show them on IG. I'll post a picture here. We did decide to paint it. So our walls are painted gray, and the shelving is actually white. So we opted to actually paint the shelves white as well, just to give it a nice contrast. And it almost looks like the shelves kind of blend in as opposed to really standing out with the wood. So just giving you a little bit of close up. And he did a really good job. So next on my list is just thinking about how I'm going to decorate this. As you can see, I've gotten a few pieces, definitely not complete yet or in shape to really kind of showcase it, but I'm taking my time, going really slowly in regards to what I want to add onto these shelves. So I just showed you guys my update with the shelving in my living room. And because I do get asked quite a few times if my living room flashes on Instagram what I have up there, I'm gonna show you guys what my top 5 items right now are in my living room. And that is just decor pieces, because I love my couch, I love my rug, I love my ottoman. This is just straight top 5 decor pieces that I'm loving right now. Okay, so the first item is, I'm really big into fashion. If anyone knows me, or if you don't, I've been working in fashion for over 15 years now. Started as an intern in Nordstrom and then skyrocketed. So the first item I got was a Louis Vuitton coffee table book. So this book is super, super heavy, and it retails originally for about $140, $150. I was able to get this book for $59 from TJ Maxx online. Guys, I could not say no. This was an amazing pickup. It's even showing on Amazon. I don't think I've seen it for less than $85. So when I saw this for $59, I should have bought more than one so I could have it in multiple rooms. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the cover on it. I do love the outer piece, but let me take it off and show you what I mean. So without the cover, this book is a really chic, just amazing burgundy jewel tone color. And I think this would just look so amazing in my living room like this. So I'm not 100% sure I'm going to keep the sleeve on it, because this alone, this is just so chic, like so chic alone. And I will put the link for the book. It is sold out right now, but you never know. It might come back into stock, because I have seen it sold out. Ooh. I have seen it sold out a few other times, but it did come back into stock. So the next piece I got was a little circular vase from H&M Home. Guys, I didn't really know that H&M sold home products, but once I got into that area, it's golden. So many great neutral colored decor pieces for your home. So this particular vase actually comes in 2 sizes. I have both, but I'm just showing you the small one right now. So it comes in a small and a large. This is usually out of stock. When I saw it come back into stock, I immediately bought both sizes. I did share the link. I know a few of you got it and said you love it as well. It's a really good weight. So it has like a matte finish. It has a hole in there, so you can add a little bit of flowers. It is difficult to add something with a really long stem inside of it, so you would have to cut it, but definitely a piece that I love from H&M Home. The next item is these interlocking circular pieces. I got this from Target. It is actually part of the Target and Studio McGee collaboration. It retailed for $20. This is another piece that is usually sold out. I don't think it was part of this last drop. It was part of one drop prior to the current one. So this is an older style. So just full transparency, I did initially order this online, and when it came broken. And looking at reviews, a lot of people did say that theirs actually came broken as well. So it's very, very fragile. So what I had to do is actually place another order for the same item. I actually placed that order for 2, just to be sure I got one that did not come broken. And picked it up in store, and actually both of them were intact. So I was just like, just give me both, I'll keep both of them. So I have one right now in my living room. The other one, I just have it stored somewhere, depending upon where I'll put that. Might go, when we finally get a banquette for the dining room, once we create a dining room. So yeah, definitely I think that will be an option. The next item that I love, the third piece, well, 1, 2, 3, the fourth piece, sorry, is this Juju hat on a stand. So I love a Juju hat. I love the feathering. I love this neutral ivory color. You'll see a lot of that in my home because, I do like to keep it a little modern and chic. So I initially was looking for a Juju hat to place on my wall, but I was in Home Goods, actually was in a Home Goods that was way, way, way out. I'm talking about, I was about an hour and a half away from my home, somewhere out in the sticks in South Carolina. And I saw Home Goods, I was like, oh, let me go in here. They had so much great stuff because nobody really lives over there. So all the great pieces, no one over there is checking for that. So I actually need to go there again now that I think about it. But anyways, so this was just laying there on the stand and I was like, oh my God, this was meant for me. Because online, I've seen these go upwards of $250 and up, and I was not trying to pay that. So this one still has the tag on it. I told you guys before, I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put it, but I got it for, so you can see it was $129. And I love that it's on a stand, really constructed really well. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. So yeah, really great piece. Right now it's in my living room. I think I'm going to move it to the dining area. I just feel like that would be a better place for it. But yeah, so it's in my living room right now and I love it. Now, the final piece, because there are 2 of them. Sorry guys for that little interruption. Daughter came back from her swim class. Had to go take care of mommy duties. But my final piece is actually a 2-for-1. So it is a clay abstract vase. And initially, I got the double vase. So it actually comes in a single, a double, and a triple. So this I bought from a local store. It's a Black-owned business. I'm really trying to find more Black-owned businesses to support as I continue to decorate my house. So the place is called Dressing Room Interiors. It's founded by a woman named, and I might be saying her name wrong, but I'll put a link to it below, Arena Bathia. So it's a store, they carry vintage furnishings and it's a design studio as well. So when she initially posted this vase I was like, oh my God, I need it, but it's sold out. About a few months later, she posted it again and I immediately checked out and got this tan abstract color. It is so beautiful. It goes with my leather CD2 ottoman perfectly. You can see it has a lot of weight to it. And the inside, it's really hollow, so you can add a lot of great floral arrangements, some branches in it. Oh, you can see. Yeah, branches in it. So really great piece. It is a little bit more pricier than I normally would spend, but definitely think it was worth it to support a small business and get such a unique item. I'm really looking to get more unique pieces that aren't in, your normal chain stores or retail stores that you would find everywhere and everyone will have it in their home. So that was a good pickup. So when I actually went to go pick it up in the store, I saw that she had in inventory this triple version. And I was like, okay, I think it would be great. A little combo together with some contrasting colors. So I picked this one up as well. The buds are a little bit smaller, but it is taller. So it kind of gives some height when you put the two together. So yeah, so you can see it here. And I love this as well. She has some really, really great pieces in the store. She does have an online website where you can purchase and she'll ship to you. One thing to note, guys, things go quickly. She doesn't have a lot of inventory of items. As I said, it is a vintage store, so she sources whatever she can find, and what she finds is amazing. I'm really looking to get more unique pieces. So if you have any stores, designers that you would recommend that I look at, please leave it in the comments below, or you can DM me through Instagram. So thanks guys for watching. Let me know how you feel about the pieces that I shared. Do you love them? Give me some ideas on some other items that I can use to decorate my living room shelves. As you can see right now, it's pretty bare. I know it's gonna take some time, but I really wanna get it right the first time. So I'm being really, really picky and particular about the items that I add. Lots more updates to come in my home. This is just the beginning. I just shared 2 small updates that we did. Those still aren't complete. I'll show you my living room shelves when those are done. I will show you the bar when it is complete and finished. I also did the laundry room as well. Can't show you that right now because the laundry room looks crazy, but once that's completed, I'll also show you that as well. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for all the other updates that'll come soon. Bye.